Okay, today we're going to be making super easy, super quick, super delicious PB&J donuts. Who doesn't like that? They're literally only going to take about 3 minutes, if that. Alright, first of all, some white bread. I got 2 pieces here. 2 pieces of white bread. You can use whatever bread you want. You want to set your toaster on the lowest setting. And then pop them in the toaster. Okay, the toast popped. Now, get a glass. Just kind of cut out a donut hole. Don't forget to give that to the birds. Now, if you got kids or grandkids, they're gonna go crazy over these things. All right, this toast is like just barely toasted. It's just very warm. And that's what's really gonna make the difference here. Alright, some peanut butter. I'm using creamy peanut butter, but if you want, use chunky if you like. Alright, and this is gonna like melt. Gonna melt on there. I'm using blueberry jam, again, but you use grape or strawberries, really good. A little bit on there. Top on. Again, this, you want it to be nice and warm. Got it. Last thing is some powdered sugar. Shift some of that over it. Turn it over. There you go. That's a delicious blueberry peanut butter donut. Try it. Wow. Like I say, you got kids or grandkids, you're gonna make them real happy. That's something special there.